Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Your PC is Wi-Fi is turned off. Turn off and turn on Wi-Fi. Connected your PC, your Mac using Ethernet cable and try again later. This issue is showing. So guys, first and very simple method. Click to Wi-Fi icon. So click to this and just disconnect it and then again connect it. This is the first method. Okay. Then next method, click to start and type device manager, open it. Okay, then network adapter, extract it. So you can see guys, the wireless means this is Wi-Fi. If sometime it's showing here WLAN, wireless Wi-Fi, also many systems, many different names. Okay, so wireless means Wi-Fi. Right click to property, then driver and update driver. Okay, it is already installed. Then advance, select this first 802.11 abcg and this, select the last band 612 and third is C. Okay, and then close it. Then again select this, right click to disable and after that click on this icon. If this icon is not showing, the click to actions and then click say scan hardware changes and then again select the right click to enable it. Okay, and then close. Now very important method, make sure your VLAN service is running. So click to start, type services, open it, then find out the VLAN plus W, VLAN auto config, open it, select automatic, stop, then select this and then restart it. Okay, VLAN auto config. So this is for the Wi-Fi. Close it. And then guys, next method,
Click on start. In search, type CMD. Just right click to run as administrator. Then click on yes. So this is command. First copy and just control V and then hit enter. Now verifications start completed. So it will take some time. If it is stuck now, so you have to just hit enter, so it will start continue. Any percentage like 60% is stuck, it's not continued, so just select here and then hit enter. So you can see first SFC scan, now it's completed. Then second one, so just copy and type and control V, after that hit enter. So no command is detected. Okay, now third, control V, scan health, just hit enter. It will also start. Yeah, you can see when it is processing, and like you can see it is running percentage. So do not click anywhere, you have to wait. So you can see it is completed 100%. Now last, restore health. Copy, control V and hit enter. And this command I will give in the description, so you can copy paste from there. Guys, if you are doing some issue resolve, it is not resolving the issue, you can check the descriptions. We have Google forms, you just fill out, my teams will contact you. Now this is the 100% completed and successfully operation completed. Okay.